look at her.
Dati-rati sabay pa natin pinangarap ang lahat. Umaawit pa sa hangin at amoy araw ang balat. Naaalala ko pa noon, nag-aagawan ng Nintendo.
She looks shy and nice. And hungry.
Like, he's a good dancer. He's a really good dancer. He is funny.
It's like a surprise. Yeah, the first one.
Ikaw ang pangarap hanggang ngayon.
Couple of weeks before you go back home. Then I realized that I can live without you. The way we treat each other. Siya tayo. I know it.
Ay palaging sabay na
Every morning, kiss me. I say good morning.
itong programa.
Louis is generally a really romantic person. He shows his love. He shows his love for me. He couldn't really ask for a better partner.
I love her because she can appreciate what I did. What I do.
Dati-rati ay naglalaro pa ng bahay-bahayan.
For being me as a person.
Pag nagtataya-tayaan, pero sing tamis ng candy pag nagkakasal-kasalan. Di ba dati ay nagkukunwaring Marvin at Jelena? Minsan ay tambalang Mylene at Bojo Molina. Ang sarap siguro balikan ng mga ala-ala, lalo na kung magkayakap mga bata't magkasama at parang Hulyo't Hulya lagi.
It's gonna be more closer. And outside and like gloves. It's gonna be fun again.
I'm super excited about our wedding day.
To have a family that can support and love each other.
To build our family. I want two kids, a boy and a girl, or whatever order God decides to give us.
Boy, girl, boy. She's gonna be a good mom. Mikey.
No matter who they choose to be in life, their dad will always love them, and I will always love them, of course.